guys, it's Jasmine here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I got my first Boxycharm box and I just wanted to do an unboxing video on my channel and just unbox this and then play with the products that are in it. And so let's just get right into this. I already looked in it, so it's not like a first look at the box, but here is what it looks like. It has a whole lot of products in it. So the first thing I saw is this little, I don't know what it's called, this notepad. It has two coupons on it, a Smashbox one and a Laura Lee Los Angeles one. And I know there's a lot of drama with Laura Lee right now, but I'm just gonna push it all aside and just focus on the product and just focus on the palette and just let that palette speak for itself. I'm not gonna be biased or anything. Cute little moment happening. This box I got for $21. Everything in here is full size. And so let's just dig right in. The first thing I see is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. And I already was like playing with this last night. I swatched it last night and they really, like, I was really kind of disappointed with the swatches. They kind of swatched unevenly and I was kind of upset about that. So I swatched this one and it was just really, there was like a big chunk of the product in the swatch that was not smoothed out, and I had to smooth it out. And I will put swatches in the little clip. You'll see me swatch all of these. And the first thing I think about when I see this eyeshadow palette is, are these colors going to show up on my eye? I got some dark eyelids. My eyelids are darker than Laura Lee's, so I'm going to see if these eyeshadows can show up on my lid today. This palette feels really, feels really thick and sturdy. And then the next thing I see in here are eyelashes, and I'm so happy I got House of Lashes. Sorry for my hair. I'm taking it out today. It looks a little rough. I'm sorry. But anyway, they're the House of Lashes in Boudoin? I really don't know how to pronounce that, but here are the lashes, and look at how cute they are. The next thing in here is the Ades New York Organic Infused Age Defying Nail Treatment Essential. And sorry if I sound sick or anything, I just am recovering from a sickness, so that's great. But it just looks like this. It looks like a clear nail polish. I'm gonna test this out and put this on my nails today as well. And now this Bang Beauty gel eyeliner is a brown gel eyeliner. I'm excited to pair all of this stuff together because I'm using every single thing in this box today. This is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Rouge à Lèvres. What in the world? Slay Tan, that's the color. And it is basically my skin tone color. I usually am used to like mauve pinkish nudes, but this was like a nude. Like it looks like my skin color, and I'm so excited for it. And then I got 3 Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I put my robe on just to start out this video because we are going to be testing this out first. And we are going to let the product sink in while I do my eyes and my eyebrows. Now I'm just going to take one of them and just open this right up. Oh, this feels amazing. I'm going to just prime my eyelids real quick. I kind of want to use like all of these colors, but I don't know how to. I guess I'm just going to start out with putting drinks in my crease, and I'm just gonna see how this goes. Okay, a lot of color picks up on the brush. Oh, got some powder flying everywhere, and just gonna place this. Okay, nothing's showing up. Okay, now I see the product, now I see the orange. eye, it's not showing as vibrant it is on the pan, but that was expected just because my eyelids are darker, so I was going to expect that it's not going to show up as vibrant. Okay, so I am seeing if you pack it on first, it shows up a lot more vibrant, so I'm going to pack this color on now. Okay, yeah, do you see the difference? Wow, okay. That looks a lot better than when I just put it on. I only did one eye, and there's a lot of kickback on the pan already. And as I'm looking, there's no fallout once I put it on the actual eye. I don't see any fallout on my eye patches right now, so I almost wish that there was a red in this palette. Like, I feel like then I could create both a sunset vibe and then also a blue situation happening. But since there's no red, I guess I'm gonna blend it out with this yellow color. Just gonna swirl my brush. A lot of kickback in the pan as well, but I don't really mind that. I don't really care. And I'm just gonna blend out the edges with this yellow. And I was really wondering, like, how am I going to use this yellow? This yellow is not going to show up on my lid, and it's not going to do anything for me, but it's turning out to be a decent transition color. I think I used too big of a brush to place that yellow because now I just went right over the orange, so I'm going to just place the orange back on top. I'm going to use this really small, tiny little brush. And now I'm going to blend out the yellow, or blend out the orange, just on the edges. Okay, the color's looking a little bit patchy. Yeah, a little bit patchy. I think I'm going to put this pink shade on my lid, so I'm just going to grab my Jazmine palette. So I grabbed this palette, and this has been loved for a long time now. I know. I'm gonna grab this color and put this on the inner and outer corners. And I'm just placing it there right now. And I just need like a transition color from the orange to the pink, where this color is laying quite nicely on the orange. So I'm gonna put some concealer on my lid. Okay, now I'm just going to get this pink color, and wow, this is really powdery. I'm just gonna place this on my lid. Okay, and it's kind of matte. It has like a bit of shimmer to it, but it's not like a full shimmer like I thought it was going to be. Okay, this is looking crazy right now. This color is really messing up my entire eye look. What the heck? I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm going to place that over top of this pink color, because it's not doing it for me. I need some more shimmers. I'm going to take some of the Stila Magnificent Metal Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. I'm just going to put this on the center. I think I kind of fixed this eye. I'm just going to finish this eye and then do this eye off camera. Now I'm going to take the, what is this called again? The Bang Beauty eyeliner in chocolate. First thoughts on this eyeliner, it's very creamy, and I like that, so that's good. And I'm just gonna do a wing with this eyeliner. Okay, this eyeliner is not bad. And now I'm gonna just do the other eye off camera and do the eyeliner, and I might as well just put on these lashes off camera too, and I'll be right back. Changed shirts, and I did my whole base makeup because I realized that we don't have anything for the base in this Boxycharm box, so I have everything done. I just need to do my underneath my eyes and also my lips, and then we'll be done. And so for my under eyes, I really don't know what to do, honestly. I'm gonna start out with putting this, is this a shimmer? No, putting this dark blue, oh, that's really powdery, called Karaoke, oh my god. Wow, I need to go back to school. I'm just gonna put this underneath my eyes. Okay, now I'm going to put the light blue called Damage Control on the inner corner. And these blues are pretty good. Like, they're very pigmented. I am liking this. Oh, okay. Now I'm going to just pick up this color called Hungover. Wow, why did that take me so long to figure out how to say? And I'm just gonna put this over top of the dark blue, mostly the closest to the wing and to the outer corner. Alright, now I have this brown liquid lip, and I feel like since it's really close to my skin tone, I want to put like a lip liner first. So I'm going to take this brown lip liner and I'm going to line my lips with it. Let's put the lipstick on. Ooh, yes. Love this color. Oh my gosh. I'm liking this nude color. It's not everyone's cup of tea, but I am digging it. I am digging all of this. Okay, so let's just start with the eyes. This palette, I did have some struggles with it. You know, at first the colors were not showing up as well as I wanted them to, but then I learned that you have to like pack them on first, and then you have to do that with like a lot of shadows, so I should have tried that first. I love all of the mattes in here. The only color that I'm not really loving, and it didn't really work out, was the Bottoms Up, which is the pink shade. I thought it was going to be more shimmery, and it was not looking cute on my eyes. It was in between a matte and a shimmer, and I just personally do not like those shades. Even the lightest color in this palette shows up on my face, and that's what I was really worried about. Are these colors going to show up? And they all obviously did. You can see them all on my face right now. And so I'm going to be playing with that palette a lot more. That palette is really great. And without thinking about all the controversy with Laura Lee and herself, this palette is really good, and I enjoy this palette. This is the first product I've gotten from her. Now I want to talk about this lip color. I'm loving it. It is gorgeous. This gel liner is really creamy and is really smooth. It glided on perfectly. This is great. I would use this again. These eye patches, oh my lord. I love them. They've made my under eye feel so smooth and just so nice and hydrated. I'm going to put these in the fridge, the rest of them. And I'm going to use them whenever I care and whenever I want to feel a little better about myself. Lashes. The lashes look really nice on my eyes. They're really easy to apply. So that brings us to the end of this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys want for this to be like a monthly thing, because I'm going to be doing this for like at least 2 more months. And so then tell me, and then I will do another one for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!